Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. I am Rama. Today I'll teach you how to do Surya Namaskar. It's also called sun salutation. Kids, sun salutations are traditionally performed in the morning to greet the new day. So what are you waiting for? Jump in your workout clothes and bring over your yoga mat and start with me. Kids, our first pose is prayer pose. For this pose, stand at the end of your mat, keep your feet together and distribute your weight on both feet equally. Open your chest and relax your shoulder. Now breathe in and lift both your arms up from the sides. Exhale and bring your palm together in prayer position in front of your chest. Our second pose is raised arm pose. For this pose, breathe in and lift your arms up and back. Make sure that your biceps are close to your ears. Make effort to stretch your whole body starting from the heels up to the fingertips. Our third pose is hand to foot pose. For this pose, breathing out and bend from your waist while keeping your spine straight. Exhale and completely bring your hands down to the floor beside your feet. Our fourth pose is equestrian pose. For this pose, breathe in and push your right legs as far back as possible. Bring your right knee to the floor and slowly look up. Our fifth pose is stick pose. For this pose, breathe in and take your left leg, then right leg back. Bring your whole body in straight line. Our sixth pose is salute with 8 parts or points. For this pose, gently bring your knees down to the floor, then exhale. Slightly take your hips back and slide forward. Relax your chest and chin on the floor. Raise your posterior a little bit. Our seventh pose is cobra pose. For this pose, slide forward and raise your chest up into the cobra pose. Keep your elbows bent and fixed in this pose. Keep your shoulders away from your ears and slowly look up. Our eighth pose is mountain pose. For this pose, breathe out and lift your hips as well as your tailbone up. Now put your chest downwards to create an inverted V pose. Our ninth pose is equestrian pose. For this pose, breathe in and bring your right foot forward in between the two hands. Now bring your left knee down to the floor. Press your hips down, then look up. Our 10th pose is hand to foot pose. For this pose, breathe out and bring your left foot forward. Keep your palms on the floor. Now you can bend your knees if you feel some discomfort. Our 11th pose is raised arms pose. For this pose, breathe in and roll your spine up. Make your hands go up and bend backward a little bit. Push your hips slightly outward. Now kids, our last and 12th pose is standing mountain pose. For this pose, exhale and first straighten your body. Bring your arms down, relax in this position, observe the sensations in your body. Kids, I hope you all enjoyed with me. Now keep practicing it every morning at your home. Thank you. Bye-bye.